Hi, I'm Lorna from wearablyweird.com, and in this video I'll be discussing why are Vans so popular. Founded in California in 1966, Vans have become a worldwide brand known for their influence in skate culture. From a small factory opening in Anaheim to a multi-billion-dollar business, Vans have truly conquered the street footwear scene, seeming to outlive the fashion trend cycles year after year. With all of this success, many people want to know, why are Vans so popular? A huge reason for their success is the many collaborations Vans do with celebrities, brands like Supreme, with modern art museums, and even with popular anime. They have recently collaborated with Sailor Moon in June 2022. How cool is that? Vans collaborations help the brand cast their nets over a wider consumer base by appealing to the fans of other niches, which plays a big part in their popularity. Another reason Vans are so popular is they are known as a staple footwear choice for skate and pop punk culture. This is in part thanks to the way the shoes are designed, with a non-slip waffle outer sole that's perfect for skateboarding. They are loved by celebrities who enjoy skate culture. They never seem to go out of style, and they can be seen worn on the red carpet by musicians, comedians, and other artists alike. Vans are popular among children and adults, men and women. They fit a wide range of circumstances, they make a great school shoe, and people have even worn them to weddings, paired with a suit with a plateful twist. Side note, if you like how my Vans are laced here, check out my video on bar lacing Vans, it just looks so cool. With so much versatility in one brand, it's no wonder why they continue to go from strength to strength. Their popularity is reflected in the growth of their stock value in last year alone, and recent revenue over the years. The brand increased their revenue from $2.3 billion in 2017 to $2.8 billion in April 2022. Wow. The final reason for the popularity of Vans is their comfort and awesome design. Some of their designs have stood the test of time since the 1960s. They are that good. Vans feature awesome retro designs with a classic feel that never seems to go out of fashion. The versatile and cool Vans design is synonymous with the 1960s American skate culture, a nostalgic era that lives permanently in the fashion consciousness. Vans have excellent grip, which makes them popular practical shoes for a wide range of purposes. It's no secret that Vans are some of the most comfortable shoes you will wear. This only adds to their popular appeal. Vans are made with high quality materials. They offer so many style options to suit all ages and genders and tastes. It's no surprise that they rule the skate footwear scene. You can even customize a pair of Vans for a look tailored to you individually. If you found the information in this video helpful, it would be awesome if you could tap the like button and subscribe. It really helps me so much. Thank you.